Hi Idol, can you work out every day? And ano yung pinaka-best rep range to build muscle and lose fat? To lose fat, automatic calorie deficit. Ano yung calorie deficit? Mas konting kinakain, mas maraming galaw. Best rep range, perfect form, proper breathing, proper execution. 1 to 2 seconds pataas, concentric, yung negative, pababa. 2 to 5 seconds, hold, mas mahirap yun. Yung mabigat or yung magaang na weight, mas parang pinapabigat mo, feel ng muscle contractions mo. 10 reps, perfect na yun to build muscle. As you can work out every day. As long as you only work out close to failure. Huwag yung failure ka or lagpas pa sa failure, yung sobrang pilit, yung mga rest pause, pump sets, may spotter ka. Kasi may injured ka, prone to injury. Kasi yung ligaments mo, yung joints, matagal mag-recover, mas bilis ang muscle. So I hope nakatulong sa inyo. Tapos syempre, depende rin sa genetics nyo. May iba na mas maganda yung 4 to 8 reps, power moves. Yung iba high reps, 10 to 25 reps. Tama kayo, bali. I'm not your doctor. Do what works